In this video, let's discuss how we can create the community cookbook entry. Now we have our chosen recipe in our hands, and we will explain the features of the recipes to our peers and the community. This recipe could be in one language and covers the features of one culture. How to attract the interest of people speaking other languages and from different cultures? Here are some strategies. First, translate and describe. We can translate the title or other features of the recipe directly. In some cases, we may need to add descriptions to explain its meaning. 2. Discuss significance. We can explain, for example, how important the recipe, a particular ingredient, or a cooking method is in our culture. We will try to put ourselves in our peers' shoes and explain it in a way they can understand. 3. Identify and reflect on similarities and differences. From our knowledge, is this recipe similar to any recipe from other cultures? What makes this recipe special? We can also do some research to reflect our understanding. Now let's have a look at the structures in the recipe. First, the title. Usually, the most important ingredient of the dish is included in the title. And do people from other cultures know the meaning of the dish's name? Maybe we will need to translate and add some explanation. We look into the list of ingredients. Are these ingredients unique in your culture? How can you get these ingredients? Where can you buy them? Another important aspect is the use of measurements. Maybe the measurements in your recipe differ from others. You can find a matching measure in the recipe words list we shared on Wednesday and do some calculations. Regarding the step-by-step instructions, what is the cooking method? Is the cooking method unique in my culture? Is another cooking method from other cultures similar to this one? The recipe words list may inspire us, or we can always do some research. Let's add some descriptions to our recipe. We can think about where does the dish come from? Why is the recipe important to our cultures and or our families? How, when, where should it be enjoyed? How should it be served or eaten with somebody else? So far, we have discussed the instructions for our recipe, and now we will think about the template. The template for our community cookbook recipes can be either classical or creative. Thanks for watching this video. It is our turn to start working on our recipe now.